Hello and welcome back to Resource Rundown. So today I am talking about none other than the best online learning platforms for your needs. I know so many individuals are just looking to help themselves to just another way of growing, learning, just developing in so many different ways. I know over on my other channel, Enterprise 7, lots of people are developing themselves spiritually. They've been doing that for many years, and now it's about business. So I'm so excited for those of you all who have decided to join me on this platform as well. My name is Nicholl, and thank you for stopping by. So the online learning platforms, I'm going to give you the rundown. Basically, you want to make sure that you are finding a platform that best suits your needs, okay, your goals, your preferences. First of all, let's define what those learning goals are, okay? So the first step is going to be to choose the online platform based on whatever your learning goals are. I don't know what those are, you know those. So define what your learning goals are. The question that I would have for you is, what skills or knowledge do you want to gain? Okay. So for instance, with me, I wanted to gain more knowledge on organizational leadership, and I decided the way for me to do that is to return back to the university. Okay. Do you prefer a structured or self-paced learning? For me, I made the decision to go with self-paced initially for social media when I was learning so much about that, as well as other topics. But for you, you might want a structured classroom online. Okay. Are you looking for a specific certification or degree program? Now, when I took a look at what I needed at the time back in 2020, I wanted a certification for social media strategy, and that's what I got. Now, once you have a clear idea of all your learning goals, you're going to narrow down your search. So you can go to the different platforms that align with what your learning goals are, and take a look at the courses, take a look at the programs, and make sure that they align with your interests. The next is to research the platform's reputation, and you will find that on Trustpilot. You will find reviews on Indeed and Glassdoor. You will also even check the Better Business Bureau. And there were some platforms that I did not visit because I saw negative, lots and lots of negativity. Some people didn't even receive certificates in the mail when they were supposed to. So no, not good. Before signing up for any online learning platform, you do your research, you look for the reviews and the ratings from other learners to get a sense of the platform's reputation, as we mentioned. And we're going to check the platform to see if it's accredited by reputable organizations and if the courses are taught by experienced instructors, or are these people just Joe Schmo right down the street who just came up with his own online course and now he's charging you a bunch of money for it, okay? So let's make sure that we're looking for relevant credentials, and you can easily take someone's ID or any information that they're willing to share with you to just make sure that they are who they say they are. This sort of thing can happen offline, right? So just a little heads up there. Evaluate the platform's features. When evaluating online learning platforms, you're going to consider the various tools that are important to you. So do you want your platform to have interactive learning tools? I know that through the Oculus, there is an interactive learning tool that I had signed up for to help me learn Spanish, okay? So check to see, do you have an interactive learning tool with that platform? Is there quizzes? Is there assessments? Is there discussion forums? Okay, things like that. With the VR though, those are immersive experiences. So You actually are visually in a setting and you're learning, okay, like you would in a classroom, except you're doing it through VR. Do you need a platform that's mobile friendly? Okay, because you like to spend a lot of time on your phone, or are you okay with one platform that has offline access to course materials, old school style, right? Printed books, printed worksheets, all of that good stuff. That would be more of your classroom setting if you're still wanting that one-on-one offline, or if you want one-on-one via Zoom. That is also an option. So you're going to make a list of the features that matter most to you, and you'll compare those platforms based on the criteria. And so when I was going through this whole process of wanting to return back to school, these are the things that I was looking for. Consider the platform's pricing and their payment options. They vary, okay? So there is no one size fits all type of pricing. You're going to have to really check that out. You also have to check for financial aid if that is what you're going to need. There's some courses that are free, others it's a trial period, so you only get so many courses, and then after that it cuts off and then you'll have to pay. There's monthly subscription courses, per course fees, just a lot of different payment structures out there. So just make sure that you understand the platform's pricing structure and their payment options before committing to a course or a program. And then, of course, if you're able to try before you buy, those are the best. They really are, because this way you're able to see if it is really worth investing time and money into the full course. So wherever you're able to try, do try. And you do also learn some things too. So that is my rundown in terms of the best online platforms for your needs. I thank you so much for taking the time out to stop by Resource Rundown. Please do come back. We've got some more. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.